Vietnam is Southeast Asia's fastest growing electronic market. Do you know the ticket? That is MOST certification. Vietnam is the most dynamic, fastest growing electronic market in Southeast Asia. It is global manufacturing hub with rapid digital transformation. To legally sell telecommunication product there, you need RF certification in Vietnam. This process commonly known as MOST certification. RF certification in Vietnam regulated by Vietnam Telecommunication Authority, or commonly known as VNTA. The authority is operated under Ministry of Science and Technology, or known as MOST. The authority manages telecommunication sector and issues the official compliance certificate called MOST certificate. RF certification in Vietnam covers a broad range of products. It is not a telecom product, but any product with wireless and radio frequency features. This includes smartphone, routers, smart home appliance, wearables, automotive devices, and even medical devices. If your product connects wirelessly, it needs MOST certification. Who can be an applicant for RF certification in Vietnam? Basically, the applicant must be company that officially registered in Vietnam. They can be local importer, distributor, or local representative agent. One important thing to note, the certificate held by local partner agent can only used by marketing purposes, not for importing. To import and sell the product, you must partner with an actual importer or distributor in Vietnam. There are two methods for RF certification in Vietnam. The first is local testing, and the second is document evaluation. Unlike in other countries, in Vietnam, local testing is mandatory. Document evaluation is permitted only if the test reports are from the laboratory with Mutual Recognition Agreement or MRA with Vietnam. For local testing, minimum 2 product samples must submitted to the Vietnamese laboratory. Required documents include the application form, product specification, product label photos, ISO 9001 certificate of the manufacturing factory, the SOP and software, factory declaration, declaration of sample shipment, and the business license of the certificate holder. After all documents pass the evaluation, payment is made and MOST certificate is issued. One additional requirement after obtaining MOST certificate, the importer must submit the Declaration of Conformity or SDOC for each import batch. The following documents are include MOST certificate, EMC test report, safety test report, SDOC form, letter of acceptance or LOA to local importer if the certificate holder is foreign manufacturer. The fully certification process for RF certification in Vietnam takes approximately 8 weeks. This includes 5 weeks for local testing and 3 weeks for document evaluation. MOST certificate is valid for 3 years. After 3 years, the renewal is required if the product continues to sold or import in Vietnam. After certification, your product must display official conformity label. The label consists of 3 components: the letters ICT, the certificate holder's name, and the certificate holder's code. The label must be permanently affixed to the product, packaging, and documentation before the product is sold. It must be clearly visible, legible, and not easily to remove or confuse with other marks. Mandatory local testing, physically document submission, local representative requirement, and NSDOC for every import batch. RF certification in Vietnam is the one of the most complex process in the region. DMulti has been handling RF certification since 2008. 18 years of experience, hundreds of clients, thousands of certified products across the globe. RF certification in Vietnam is no longer a challenge, it's just a process. If you want to know everything about RF certification in the world, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.